And the next question is from level 3, and this question states that some pearls or gems, all gems or diamonds, no diamond is stone, and some stones are corals. So we have 4 statements over here, and the conclusion is some stones are pearls, some corals, being diamond is a possibility. So again we have a trouble, we have a question coming under being and possibility. And third statement is no stone is pearl. So here we have 4 statements and here we have 3 conclusions. So you just remember, whenever you are getting conclusions more than 2 and whenever you are getting statements more than 3, so this sums coming under a level 3, you can just imagine that one. Got it? Whenever you are getting statements more than 2 statements and whenever you are getting more than 2 conclusions, you can just imagine that this problem will have a lot of work to do, and this is coming under a level 3 kind of problem. And again we can draw some diagrams, and some means we can go for intersections as we seen in the last previous classes. So some pearls or gems. For this one, some pearls or gems. And second statement, all gems or diamonds. Again, all gems or diamonds. So all gems is coming under diamonds, and this may first possible diagram. And third statement is no diamond is a stone. So diamond and stone has not been related to each other. So I can put simply like, I can draw one more circle here and take it as stone. So no diamond is a stone. So no diamond is a stone. And the last statement is some stones or corals. Again some go for intersection. So again some stones or corals. And this is my first diagram, first possible diagram. And of course I have a lot of possibility for this kind of statements. You know, I have a lot of possibilities, so I can draw even up to 4 to 5 possible diagrams. So can I check the possibility diagram? And how can I draw my second possible diagram for the given statements? You just check it. Any of the possibilities? How come the corals and diamonds are related? And how come the corals and gems and the pearls are related? I can just think over like that. But I should not relate the stones with diamond, because it is given the question that no diamond is a stone. So stone and diamond should not have any relation at all. Okay, first of all, I can simply relate the stone and pearls. Got it? So I have just drawn a pearl here. So pearls and gold are here. And I am sure that all the golds are diamonds, but some stones can be related with this pearl. So I can simply go for like this one. So pearls can be related with diamonds. Yes, it is like stones. Some stones can be related with pearls. Again, some corals or stones is given the question. So again, some corals or stones. This could be my second possible diagram. Able to follow me? Here I have just connected the stone with the pearls. Got it? And can the stone be connected with this diamond? It should not be done, because it's given clearly in the question that no diamond is a stone. So I cannot relate diamond with stone at any of the cost. So I should not get related with this stone and diamond, but I can relate stone with pearls. And again my second question is like, can the corals be connected with pearl, or the corals be connected with this diamond? Of course it is yes. So I can take it as a 2 more possibilities. So third diagram I can draw like this. Third diagram, I can simply connect the corals with this pearl, with only pearl. So pearl and gems are here. Again all gems are diamonds, and no diamond is a stone, but stone can get related with this pearls like this one. So I can simply take like this. It's like stone, and corals can be connected with pearl also. Corals. And this could be my third possible diagram. And fourth one, how can I draw the fourth possible diagram? How can I relate the given objects? Just think over it. Can I relate the corals and this diamond with gold, of course, with gems, of course? Can I relate it? Yes. So while drawing the fourth diagram, you just try to relate all the given objects. You know, only thing I should not get related is what, like I should not relate the diamond and stone, but I can relate the all remaining objects like together. So while drawing with fourth diagram, I can take S partial of P. Again gold is here and diamond is here. And when we draw corals, corals can be related with part like stones and pearls and gold and diamonds too. I can take this as my corals. Got it? So the first one is just a ditto of the given question. I have just drawn as it is. And second question is like, I have just connected the stone and pearl. Got it? And stones and diamonds should not get been related to each other. So I have just connected stones and pearls. Stones and pearls have been connected. And in the third possible diagram, I have just connected this corals with this pearl. So corals and pearls have been connected. And fourth one, I can relate everything. Got it? I can relate all the objects together, but I should not relate the stones and diamonds. It's a very important point. And now go and check the possibility. So first conclusion states that some stones are pearls. So can I take some stones are pearls? Is it true? It's false. And here some stones are pearls is true. And here some stones are pearls is true. And here some stones are pearls. It's true in all the cases, but false in the first diagram. And second conclusion, some corals being diamond is a possibility. Just check it. Some corals being diamond is a possibility. Some corals being diamond is a possibility. Can I go for it? The possible options. So whenever you go, if you go for the possibility, you just, as I told before, you please put a small question mark over here. So is that the possibility? So when you talk about the word possibility in being, possibility just means chances, as we discussed in the previous sessions, and possibility it was just relation to the word probability. So is there any probability that the stone, the corals part here, the corals, only some of the corals, only some few part of the corals can be being diamond is a possibility. So they just simply asking you to guess or possible chances that either this corals and diamonds can be related in some forms. Yes, of course it can be related, but in all forms can they be related? Not at all, because I know that corals and stones are separated one, have some relations, but diamonds and stones are has no relations. So this one I can take it true in the first case, and second is also true, and third case true, and fourth case true. There is possibility that some corals can be related with this diamond also. Got it? But only for some. If I have a word all here, if suppose I have the word like all corals being diamond is a possibility, can I go for true or false? It's absolutely a false statement, because like I know that some corals are stones, got it? But again I know that all stones are not diamond, got it? So if I say that all corals being diamond is a possibility, it indirectly means that some stones also will come into the possibility of diamonds. So I cannot go for that one. So in this case, if it is some, I can go for yes, true. And third statement, no stone is pearl. So no stone is pearl. No stone is pearl. Here it is true. And for third one, no stone is pearl. It's false, because some stones are connected with this pearl here. And here, no stone is a pearl. No, it is false. And here, no stone is a pearl. No stone is a pearl. It is again a false statement. And now how can I go for the answer? Again go from the options. Can I go for only one follow? One is getting false, true, true, true. So I cannot go for only one false, because it's getting false in my first diagram. Can I go for two follows? Only two follows. Two is being true in all the cases. It's true here, again following, again true. It's true in all the cases. Again, third conclusion, true, false, false and false. So how can you go for the option here? Only two. Very good. So the answer is only two follows. That's it. But one more important thing, you just check the 1 and 3. 1 is getting true here and 3 is getting false. Sorry, 1 is getting false and 3 is getting true here in this one. And second one, 1 is like true and 3 is like false. Got it? Again in that one, when you compare this one, it's like 1 is getting false and 3 is getting true, again true and false. So I can go for the option either 1 or 3, but in options there is nothing like either 1 or 3 can be the right answer. Got it? In the options I don't have that one, either 1 or 3, so I'm simply going for only 2 follows, the very general one. Got it? Is this clear? And next question is, statements are no star is an actor, some actors are models and all models are heroes, and the given keyword is no and some and all. So we have only 3 statements here, and the conclusions are all stars being hero is a possibility. So again we have being and possibility word, and the second conclusion is at least some heroes are actors. So again at least some, this also have a important criteria, so we should see this as a very important conclusion. This is not like a previous seen the normal conclusion, because the word at least and some has a peculiar meaning as compared to the word being and possibility. And now we can go for the diagram. So no star is an actor. So again star and actors. So no star is an actor. I can draw two different circles separated each other. And again some actors are models. So again some actors are models. I mean, this is my first possible diagram. And again please stop here and think about the condition that can models be compared, or can models have some relations with the star. It is given that no star is an actor, and again some actors are models. And my question is like, can some models be as a part of the star? It can be, yes. So second diagram can be like this. The second possible diagram I can go like, I can simply connect the models and the S part is like a star in only in a some fraction. So S star is here and actors are here, and I can draw a circle like that, models coming part like with actors, and some part can be like a some S part. It's like the stars. And again now check the condition. No star is an actor. So no star is an actor. So star and actor doesn't have any relation to each other. Again some actors are models. Again some actors are models is getting true. And the third statement is all models are heroes. So models I have over here. So all models are heroes. I can put the same thing here also. All models are heroes. And is there any other possible diagram I can draw? Yes, good. This heroes, it's like I can take in all forms. It is like that. I can simply put a big circle over here. The third diagram can be like this. I can put a big circle over here, and I can simply take this heroes covering the entire three subjects, entering all the three objects. Again now go for the conclusion. Conclusion 1 states that some star being hero is a possibility. So some star is over here. So some star being hero is a possibility. So can I go for true or false? Again it is a question mark statement. So I should see this as a question mark. So again possibility means chances. So is there any chance that some heroes, it's like all star being a hero. So all star being a hero is a possibility. So can I have an option like that? All star being a hero is a possibility. It is yes, good. So all stars being a hero, it's like I can just simply draw the entire yes circle within this hero circle, and it is a possibility. So I can go for yes over there, and over here I can simply go like all star being a hero is a possibility. So again all star being a hero is a possibility. Yes, there's a possible chances. I can go for true. And second conclusion states that at least some heroes are actors. So at least means what? At least means like the minimum one, at least means like very few. So is there any possibility that at least some heroes are actors? At least some heroes are actors. It's correct? Yes. In this part, particularly in this part, some of the heroes being as actors possible in this part. Got it. So at least some of the heroes being actor is a chances. So I can go for true in this case even. So again second case, at least some heroes are actors. Again at least some heroes or actors. Again the circle is getting coincide. So there is possibility that at least some heroes or actors be a true. So this is also a true statement. So how can I go for answer here? Actually in two diagrams both the conclusion is getting followed over here. So I can simply go for all follow. It's option E. I can go for like both 1 and 2 follow for the given conclusion. And for this particular statement, I have one more set of conclusions. It states like this one. Instead of this conclusion, the question itself has some two kind of statements. And the second conclusion or like I'm just going to simply take over this question. And for the same question, there is one more conclusion set is given. And it is like my first conclusion states that at least no hero is an actor. So no hero is an actor. So first conclusion is no hero is an actor. And please check this conclusion. So no hero is an actor. So no hero is an actor. Can I take as true statement? This means that no heroes have connected with the actor. But here I have connections. I have some actors being hero is a chances. It's actually true statement, but for here they are given that no hero is actor. So how come no hero be an actor? It is a false. Good. And in second diagram, no hero is an actor. Can I take it as true or false? It's false. And the second conclusion is given over here is like at least some heroes or actors. Got it? My second conclusion is like at least some heroes or actors. So at least, again I have the word at least, and at least some heroes or actors. At least, again some. It was just like the previous conclusion we have got in the previous section. At least some heroes or actors. So compare it with this one. At least some heroes over here. At least some heroes or actors. Can I take it as true? At least means like again the minimum number. So minimum count of the heroes or being as actors is a possibility. Yes, it is yes, because like the heroes and actors getting coincide. So at least some heroes or actors, it is true statement. And here also at least some heroes or actors. Again actors are here and heroes are here. They are getting coincidence. So it is true. And the second possible set of questions coming for the same statements, it is like only to follow. And this is like a particular set of questions. It is like for the given statements, they are actually given two kind of conclusions. Conclusion 1 states that the one we saw in the previous sections, and again conclusion 2, again it was like a this one, you know. So this kind of questions is like frequently asked in the bank exam. It's like for a given statement they will actually give two kind of statements, conclusions. And what's a plus in this one is like I can simply use the same diagram for the two questions. Able to get my point? I can simply use the same diagram which I used for the first one for the second question also. Got it? So if I solve this one in a very particular exact correctly, when I solve this one, I can simply get 2 marks out of it. Able to follow me?